Hello! In this video, you will learn how to create a match table grid interactive response question on Aware. Now, you could choose to change these items first, just like in a normal question, or we can click on Match Table Grid and change them there as well. In this video, the question we'll be creating is a science question from 5th grade. It is going to be 5.5b, talking about mixtures. Now, in a regular question, the text editor box is for the actual question. But in the match table grid, the text editor box is simply the instructions on what the student is supposed to do with your table grid. So I'm going to copy and paste, so that way I'm not taking up too much time. So my question is, what is the best way to separate each mixture into two parts? Then I'm going to scroll down, and I know that the grid that I'm creating has 4 columns, so I'm going to add 2 columns, and I have 6 rows, so I'm going to add 3 more rows. You can also copy and paste here as well. So we have ground pepper and milk, pebbles and glass marbles, iron fillings and sand, salt and water, nails and dirt, grapes and cherries. And then the ways that we can separate the mixture is filtration, magnetism, evaporation, and hand sorting. Once you have chosen the items and you don't want to change anything, you can click Create. I am also going to quickly change scoring method to point per task. So that way, even if they get all of them correct but one, the whole question is not wrong. I'm going to click Continue. And then in our next screen, it still shows us the scoring method and everything like normal. But then it tells us the different ways to grade, or the different ways this question could be graded. So it can either be correct going this way or correct going this way. We're going to click row centric, so it's correct going this way. And we're going to make sure the answers chosen are what we want. There's no other thing that we can do on this screen. And then we're going, besides, of course, changing any of the items up here, we're going to click Create, and we have our new question. It is always good practice before you send out your tests to your students to take online, computer-wise, to preview what the question is going to look like to make sure if you need to change anything. Now, we do have students that have oral administration. Because we created this in Aware and it was not a snipped picture, when they click on the speaker button, it will read it to them. So you don't have to worry about that. And congratulations, you have learned how to create a match table grid question on Aware. Thank you for watching.